Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you remove photos from iCloud but keep on the iPhone. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, we're gonna go into our settings. Let's just go back a little, and then we're gonna go into our profile, and then we're gonna go to iCloud. Once we're here, you can press manage account storage. And now you can see what that the photos are taking that much space. And let's suppose you wanted to clear your iCloud space. So if you go in here and then let's wait for it, so you can press turn off and delete from iCloud. So basically these photos will be permanently deleted from iCloud in 30 days to avoid losing the download and keep the originals, right? So you can do that and it will remove all of the photos. Or what you want to do is everybody would preferably want to delete whatever they don't need. So how do you do that? Well, first of all, you guys need to make sure that in the manage storage section, here you have the download and keep originals option enabled. So this iPhone is currently storing original photos and videos. So if we make it optimize iPhone storage, so that is for when your iPhone is low on space, then the full originals are just posted or uploaded on the iCloud. So I'm just gonna switch back to this one. Now what we want to do is we want to open up our Safari browser and log into our iCloud. Now I'm gonna sign in real quick. Okay, once you're signed in, your web page is kind of gonna look like, let's just wait for it to load. Yeah, so right there, and we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna find photos. Now if I go to photos, let's say I want to delete any photo that I see here. Let's consider this one, right? Now if I hit delete, it says this item will be deleted from iCloud photos on all your devices. So basically it will be deleted from the iCloud, right, not your iPhone. So I'm gonna hit delete, and before making this video I already had this photo open. So if I go here, you can see that this photo is right here, it's not gone. So that means that your photo was deleted from the iCloud only and it stays on the iPhone itself. So that is pretty much all from this video. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.